In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track and edit time entries in Kimai. We'll move through the essentials step by step so you can quickly find your work logs, review them by date, and make clean, accurate edits when something needs to be corrected. Kimai is a time tracking tool, and the calendar view is one of the clearest ways to visualize what you worked on and when, so that's where we'll focus. Start by opening Kimai in your browser and signing in to your account. Once you're in, look for the main navigation and click on Time Tracking. This is the hub for everything related to your recorded work. You might see different views here, but we're heading straight to the calendar so you can see entries laid out across specific days. Next, click Calendar. The calendar view shows your time entries organized on a timeline. This is helpful for spotting gaps, overlaps, or entries that need adjustment. Use the date controls at the top to jump to the period you want to review. You can move forward or backward through days or weeks, or pick an exact date. As you browse, take a moment to scan the placement and duration of your entries. Entries that start or end at unexpected times are often the first sign that something needs attention. To inspect a specific entry, click the time block right on the calendar. That opens the details view, where you can see everything tied to that entry, such as the project or activity, the description you added, and the exact start and end times. This is the best place to confirm that the entry reflects the work you actually performed. If you spot something that isn't right, go ahead and edit it. Adjust the start or end time to fix the duration, update the description to make it clearer, or switch the project or activity if it was assigned incorrectly. Keep an eye on the date while you edit so the entry stays on the correct day. Before you finish, review the updated details to ensure they line up with your schedule and any reporting needs you have. When everything looks good, save your changes. A quick refresh or a glance back at the calendar should show your updates reflected immediately. That's all you need to confidently navigate Kimai's time tracking calendar. Open Kimai, go to Time Tracking, open the calendar, review entries by date, click any entry to see the details, and make edits when needed. With this workflow, keeping clean and accurate time records becomes fast, consistent, and stress-free.